Mr. Champlin here. I just wanted to go over squares. They're a type of special parallelogram. Um, you can find this in your practice activity sheet. It's called Special Parallelograms 2. Um, and I specifically want to look at questions, the bottom two, 17 and 18. All right, so let's try these out. And let's look at 17 first. And what do we notice with 17? We're looking for x, right? Well, a property, the properties of squares that are really cool are it has all the parallelogram properties, all the rhombus properties, and all the rectangle properties. So one of the properties of a rhombus and a square is that all sides are congruent. So when we're looking for x, that means x squared must equal 81. Because all sides are congruent. And then to solve that, we just have to use square root, right? Get square root, and then you're going to get x equals 9. Not too bad, right? All right, well, why? Why is a little trickier. Um, y shows that we're looking for side, that gives us the value of a to c, which is this whole diagonal here. Okay, so 6y is that whole diagonal. I'm going to just write 6y here. Well, what do we also see here? Well, we have 3y 33, right? Well, doesn't diagonals in a square, they're congruent, right? So AC is congruent to BD. So therefore, 6y must equal must equal 3y plus 33. Let's combine like terms. All right, combining like terms, you subtract 3y from each side. You're going to get 3y equals 33. And then you actually want to divide by, you actually want to divide by 3. So dividing by 3 on each side, you're going to get y equals 11. All right, and that's how we do number 17. Um, I'm going to erase some of this work to give us more room for 18. So give me 2 seconds. All right, let's look at number 18 now. So 18 looks a little confusing too. They give us angle A is y squared minus 74, and angle D is x minus 9. Well, that's kind of weird. It's kind of hard to match those up, right? Well, a property that a square shares with a rectangle is that all sides equal 90 degrees, right? Or all angles, I'm sorry, all angles equal 90 degrees. So if angle, or let's look at x first. If angle D equals 90 degrees, wouldn't it be x minus 9 equals 90, right? And then you just combine like terms, and you add 9 to each side, and you're going to get x equals 99. All right, well, doesn't the same situation happen with y? Because if angle A equals 90 degrees, wouldn't it also be y squared minus 74 equals uh, equals 90 degrees? And you're going to get y squared plus 70, or, all right, sorry about that. You're going to get y squared minus 74 equals 90 plus 74 on each side when we're combining like terms. Then you're going to get y squared equals 164. Then you want to take the square root of each side, and you're going to come up with, rounding to the nearest tenth, 12.8. Okay, so y is going to equal 12. All right, guys. I hope that helped out. Just pay attention to all the properties. This homework shouldn't be too bad, or this practice page. Um, please let Mrs. Glasser know if you have any issues or questions. And again, this is Mr. Champlin, and I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy and strong. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.